Honor as a company have been making some serious moves recently, and this is their latest flagship, the Magic 4 Pro, with a strong focus on its camera system. But how good is it? I'm M Kwan, welcome back to the channel guys and girls, and in this video I'll be answering that question for you here on M Kwan Reviews. So Honor have definitely given their flagship some serious specs plus some, like this impressive 6.81-inch OLED LTPO quad curve display that's both vibrant and bright with good contrast, giving media and gaming a great experience. Now, not only does this display curve on the sides, but the top and bottom too. I mean, it feels comfortable in the hand, but I personally like a flatter display. But the display tech also features motion sync technology for the first time, which essentially allows the Magic 4 Pro to smart adjust that refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, though it typically seems to be around the 90 Hz with this setting turned on. Now, you've also got an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner that's fast and accurate, and Honor also included something I haven't ever thought of before, and that's AI privacy call, basically reducing the amount of sound leakage that can happen when you're on calls in public spaces. Performance-wise, it's flagship quality with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 4nm chipset paired on this region's model with 8GB in RAM and 256GB of storage. Those specs may vary where you are, but it's also powered by Android 12 and Magic UI 6, which, it feels familiar with some bloatware, but it does support Google mobile services, which matters to those of us that use and need it. Now, this combo of spec hardware and software works great. Again, performance is as you'd expect from a flagship with smooth day-to-day use. For those planning on gaming with this, you'll be happy to know that the Magic 4 Pro features industry-first AI super rendering tech, the GPU Turbo X, which allows you exceptionally high frame rate and network connectivity while generating less heat and lowering latency. So you can expect better gaming quality and buttery smooth graphics. Now, turning the phone around, the Magic 4 Pro's star focus is the impressive camera in this distinct module. Hardware-wise, it packs a punch with a 50MP f1.8 paired with a 50MP f2.2 ultra-wide. Next is a 64MP periscope telephoto with 3.5 times optical and 100x zoom. And finally, there's a number of sensors, including a DTOF for the depth and laser autofocus, and a flicker sensor for video, and a color spectrum sensor. Now, Honor have also made improvements to the clarity and details, and these are noticeable in the photography. Images have a nice dynamic range, contrast and colors. There's good details and consistency throughout the different focal lengths. Compare these shots, both taken at the same time, one with the Honor Magic 4 Pro and the other with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I mean, can you guess which is which? Leave a comment below and let me know if you're surprised by the results. But the Honor Magic 4 Pro does have some incredible zoom, up to 100x, and while this is impressive, I can't help but feel that the images taken aren't really usable. I mean, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Both that camera and software combination also means that you're going to get much improved images when it comes to low light performance as well. Now, on the front, we have a 12MP f2.4 selfie shooter that has a 3D depth camera, and selfies are nice with good details. But on the subject of camera, I wish Honor can improve the UI element of the app. It's not as intuitive to use one-handed, and specific controls over zoom aren't all that easy with the current user interface.
Okay, so here's an example of video filmed on the Magic 4 Pro. Let me know what you think of the quality. Currently being filmed in 4K 30 frames per second, just to keep it consistent with the rest of the video, although it will record up to 60 frames per second. Now, I'm currently in wide, and one of the features that you can do while you're filming is actually zoom in. So this will take a bit of time to zoom in. If you press the plus button, there is a little icon on the screen that you can just click that and go all the way up to 10x zoom. That's what it looks like there. And I'm gonna zoom all the way back out, back to wide. Now let me know what you think of the color, the quality. Some of the colors can appear a little over saturated, but let me know what you think of that, and also of the audio. There's a lot of wind around at the moment, but let me know how it picks up the audio. Now, one of the features to talk about is the fact that on the Honor Magic 4 Pro, you have the ability for the Magic movie mode, which allows you basically more dynamic information and high dynamic range, so that you're getting a more professional look and feel to the videos recorded on this. Okay, so here's an example of what the front-facing selfie video looks like. So we're currently recording 4K 30 frames per second. I do like the slightly wider angle of the front-facing selfie. Stabilization, audio, let me know how that sounds. Also, let me know what you think about the whole beauty mode, because I find that the front-facing selfie video does add like a layer on top of it. So let me know if that's a little too much. I promise I haven't got foundation on, by the way.
Now, when it comes to low light video, I was really impressed because I feel like the overall quality of the video, given that it is low light conditions and that I've zoomed in, is pretty impressive. I know that there is some noise in the video there, but overall it is very, very good. So moving on to battery life, it's okay. I say that because the 4,600 milliamp hour battery could have been improved or larger. The fast charging does make up for it though, with the included 100-watt charger in the box, and I was able to charge from 0 to full in around 30 to 35 minutes, which is impressive. Now there's also support for 100-watt fast wireless charging, but there's an additional accessory for that. Now, Honor are launching the Magic 4 Pro with a bundle pack here, including the Honor Watch GS3 with this stunning design and access to a whole range of sensors and health and workout functions. And check this, the new Honor Earbuds 3 Pro featuring improved drivers but also an industry-first body temperature sensor, all for the price of 3,999 dirhams, officially here in the region. I mean, that's around $1,000 mark, putting this squarely in the flagship price point, but with some additional specs and features over its competitors. What do you think of what the Honor Magic 4 Pro has to offer? Leave your comments below and check out this other flagship review. I'll see you there next. I'm Kwan, over and out. Peace and blessings.